Hi friends, welcome back to my recipe diary. Today's recipe is dates and coffee cake without sugar. In this cake, I will be not adding sugar. I am replacing sugar with dates. So let's start. This is the cup and spoon I used for measurements. Take 1 cup hot milk. In that add dates 1 cup without seeds. Instant coffee 1½ teaspoon. Mix and allow dates to soak in milk for half an hour. Then blend dates into fine paste. Then add 2 eggs and blend again for 5 seconds. In another bowl, sieve all-purpose flour, that is maida, 1 cup. You can even take wheat flour instead of all-purpose flour, but the taste of cake will be slightly different. Add baking soda 1 teaspoon, baking powder 1 teaspoon, salt 2 pinch. Add blended mixture into the flour and keep on mixing so that no lumps are formed. Add 4 tablespoons of cooking oil. You can even add melted butter instead of oil and mix again. Batter should be of this consistency. Take a vessel, grease with oil or butter. Dust with all-purpose flour evenly on all the sides. Transfer cake batter into greased vessel. Just give a tap so that batter spreads evenly. In another big vessel, add salt. Here I have taken non-stick pot. You can even take aluminium. Keep one stand inside and close the lid and allow this vessel to preheat for 10 minutes on high flame. And keep cake batter in the vessel and close the lid. Lower the flame to medium and allow to bake for 25 to 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, just prick a skewer into the cake. If skewer comes out clean, it means cake is cooked. Then turn off the flame. Allow cake to cool down completely. Loosen the edges of the cake with the help of a knife and demold the cake as shown. Let's decorate the cake. It's normal sugar powder. Instead of this, you can even take icing sugar, a strainer and paper strips. I have cut this paper into long strips. Arrange paper strips on cake and dust with powdered sugar. Note here, when you are using normal powdered sugar, dust cake with powdered sugar just before serving, because sugar will dissolve on cake within 1 hour of dusting. Take out paper strips slowly. Moist date and coffee cake is ready to serve. Try this recipe and let me know in my comment box. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon.